Payal's recipe. Today I will be showing you a very simple dal mixed with palak, dal palak or palak wali dal, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are a cup of chana dal or the yellow gram dal, some chopped spinach, then we need the coriander or the dhania powder, 1 or 1.5 teaspoons, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of haldi or turmeric powder, a couple of teaspoons of red chili powder, couple of teaspoons of salt. You can take 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder or cumin powder, cumin seeds 1 or 1.5 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 cup tomatoes chopped, that's 1 big tomato, 1 onion, asafoetida or hing, ginger 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon garlic, and some chopped green chilies. And for making the seasoning we need some oil, maybe half a cup oil. So the first thing that we need to do is boil the dal and the chopped spinach, which I have already done. So this is how it looks. So just boil it in a pressure cooker for about 10 minutes with 4 to 5 whistles, or you can also boil it in an open pan, but that would take a little longer. Now let's start making the seasoning for this dal. So first we need to heat this pan and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, we add the cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds crackle a little. Now goes in the hing or asafoetida powder, about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons. 1 should be good, but if you like that flavor, you can also add 1.5. Now goes in the chopped onions. Fry the onions a little. Now goes in the garlic, the green chilies, and the ginger, and let's just cook it for a minute or half a minute. And now we add the tomatoes, and at this point we can also add this 1 teaspoon of puree, that's optional. Then goes in the salt, the cumin powder, the coriander powder, turmeric, and the chili powder. Again, this is not the spicy one, so the quantity is a little more than the other masalas. And then you mix everything and saute for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now check out the color of this masala. It's reddish because of the degi mirch or the red chili powder and the turmeric powder as well, and 1 spoon of the tomato paste, that's optional. So right now I'm going to mix this boiled chana dal and spinach and mix everything well. So you can do any variations to the dal. You can also use the yellow moong dal if you wish to. So now let this simmer on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes, very low flame, and then we are ready to serve. So our lentils are now ready, and you can check out the color. It looks beautiful, and we are going to transfer this into this dish. So the palak dal is ready now and you can enjoy it with roti or rice. And if you really enjoyed watching this simple recipe, do like, subscribe and comment. And for more recipes, tune in till next time. Goodbye.